Can you solve the SAT math problem using the Desmos inbuilt calculator, or should this be done algebraically? Let me know in the comments below. Are you ready? Let's go. So we're given a quadratic function f is graphed on the xy plane where y is f of x, vertex is given negative 3, 6. One of the x-intercepts is given. Okay, so really quickly, to understand this problem, let's take a look at the graph of this. So negative 3, 6 is the vertex. So it's approximately over here. And in order for that parabola to have x-intercepts, it's going to have to go in this direction. Okay, so it's going to go this direction, and let's just say this is the vertex right here, and that is negative 3, 6. Now let's call this one x1 the first intercept, and the other one is x2. We know the coordinates, so the first one is negative 7, 4 for the x value. Now algebraically, all we have to do is we have to recognize that the vertex splits up, the line will split up the parabola into two equal halves, and essentially what we are going to do is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 equals this, the vertex x value. Okay, so that's what we are going to do here. So basically what we have is we have x1 negative 17 by 4 plus x2 is what we are trying to calculate. Take the 2 and cross multiply this way. We know the vertex x value is negative 3, so that is equal to 3 times negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Now x2 is easily attained by bringing this to the other side. So now we have negative 6 plus 17 by 4. So this, we can just multiply 6 times 4 is negative 24 plus 17, which is equal to negative 7 fourth. Okay, so that 0 is then the second value of the x-intercept, the second x-intercept, which is given by choice B here, which is the correct answer, negative 7 by 4, 0. All right, great. Let's see what we can do with Desmos. I already put the equation in the vertex form right here, and then I also added the point negative 740. So now let's add the slider. When we add the slider, we are going to receive a quadratic graph like this. We are going to try to bring the graph, and let's zoom in a little further. What we are trying to do here is to get to this vertex point, okay, using the slider. Now this doesn't have to be perfect. You just go approximately, and then you come to this other value and see this other value. What it is negative 1.733. So let's note that negative 1.733, 0 is our other intercept now, which is basically choice B, because negative 7/4 is the closest here to negative 1.73. Everything else is, this is a much higher negative value, and these are positive values. So we could get to the answer by using Desmos as well. All right, let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions, I'll talk to you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.